Hi, this is Marilee Bomidiano of Radio Rizal Connect 100.9 FM and Sandigan Radio 88.1 FM. Today we have our mentors on nutrition and also on IT. They are from IT in particular of Flashback in the Philippines. And now they're here on a very special nutritional empowerment that I want to share with you. I'd like you to meet Olan and Julie Austria.
Yes, alright. Hello. I think we have to turn this on.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah, we can see ourselves.
Okay, very good.
Alright. Magandang umaga, hapon, and gabi. Kung saan man kayo naruroon.
Yes, in the Philippines is umaga, siguro, no?
Yes, I think this is going to be afternoon, tanghaling tapat.
Tanghaling tapat, okay. So, can you see yourself in the things? Okay, I want you to meet Olan on the left, Austria, and Julie Austria.
Hello!
Hello. Magandang hapon ulit.
Sila po ay mag-asawa, no? They're married. And then together, they migrated to Australia. Pwede mo ba ikwento sa amin paano nangyari na pareho kayong ng IT, di ba?
Yes, tama po.
Okay.
Okay, maraming salamat Miss Marilee of having us this afternoon. Not all the time you have a chance to talk to and reach out people, especially in sa isang radio broadcasting katulad nito, very prominent here in Australia. So, maraming salamat. As a all husband, good husband do, laging ang una nating pagbibigyan magsalita yung ating may bahay. So, ipasa ko kay Julie.
Okay, magandang hapon po. Thank you, Miss Marilee, sa pagkakataon na binigay niyo sa amin para i-share namin yung aming story. Bakit
Very unique story, no? Kasi masarap yung nagkatuluyan ng magka-classmate eh.
Actually,
batchmates kayo o classmates?
Yan.
No.
Julie, ikaw na magkwento niyan kasi maganda yung kwento mo tungkol sa... hindi kami magkaklase, magkaiba kami ng course. We are both engineering, computer engineering siya, ako naman ECE. She is from Pamantasan ng Maynila. Ako naman ay nasa MIT sa Mapua.
Magkaibang school.
So nasa likod sila ng harapan ng
depende sa tinitingnan. Pwedeng nasa likod din ang Mapua.
Ay, ibig sabihin ng PLM, Pamantasan sa...
Nandun sod ng Maynila.
Hindi ba sa likod ng Mapua yun?
Okay. Kwento mo naman, Julie.
Okay. So, ang nangyari po, ako ang nauna dito way back 2000 during the Olympics, Sydney Olympics ay August 15 of 2000. Napunta ako dito as parang may isang agency sa Pilipinas na naghahanap ng IT people, so 10 IT people, and isa ako doon sa mga napili sa 10 na yun. So take note of the date because that is a very specific date, very special date for us. August 15 of 2000. Okay? So hinanap po kami ng agency na yun para pumunta dito para mag-work sa Telstra. So, sa Telstra. So, 10 kami na...
Ibig sabihin, hindi pa kayo nagkakilala.
Hindi kami magkasama ni Olan. Nung pumunta ako ng year 2000, wala po akong boyfriend.
Iba pala yung ini-imagine ko, Okay.
Wala,
Single si Julie nung pumunta siya dito sa Australian year 2000. Olympic year, by the way.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, yeah. I
Sydney
think
Olympics.
we're blessed kasi nakapunta kami during the time pa na Olympics, nakapanood ng Olympics, and we're very grateful kasi yung agency na yun sinagot lahat ng aming everything na include, I think natatanda
Hindi man
ko.
kasi ang IT eh.
Ang natatanda ko, passport lang ang ginastos ko. But the rest, the medical, the application, the bahay, and everything ay sagot ng company na yun.
Nice.
So, some of us went to Parramatta. Isa ko doon. Yung iba nasa Hornsby.
Okay.
So, yun. And then, yun, nag-enjoy kami. Napasyalan namin ng city, nakapanood ng Olympics. Pero, unfortunately, yung project ng Telstra hindi natuloy.
Okay.
So, hindi na to. So, wait, mga bandang, sinabi sa amin, mga bandang December na, And little that we know na dito pala, pag December, syempre mahirap makakuha ng work.
Okay.
Dahil parang naglalaylo na sila during the December. Kasi during that time, bawal kaming since we are contracted nung agency, bawal kami mag-apply separately. Kasi syempre, kailangan
Yes.
i-ano namin yung
Naka-contract, yes.
Then nung sabihin
Comply.
sa amin, I think mga first week na ng December, although nakapagpa-interview, nakapagpa-interview ako, may mga company na parang interested hanggang doon sa last na interview. Pero the moment na malalaman nila na kailangan nila ng parang sponsorship, yun ayaw na nila ng sponsorship. Naka-sponsor nga kami. We're given a sponsor working visa. So, nag-decision ako na umuwi.
Yes.
Umuwi sa Pilipinas. I think that's December 21 ng 2000. And then yun, hindi ko alam, because I have a good job as well before going here in Australia in 2000. And ang nangyari, hanap-hanap, meron na akong papasukan nun kasi I met yung isa sa mga estudyante ko o isang kaibigan na taga PLM na na-meet ko na dito sa Australia. And then sabi niya, yung ganitong company naghahanap. And then, yun, nung pagpunta ako doon by January, I apply. And doon ko na-meet si Olan.
Yes.
Doon ko na-meet si Olan sa company, sa IT company na yun.
Wow.
Ano pangalan nun? MISNet.
MISNet o Missnet.
Can you believe all the time, akala ko mag-classmates kayo?
Hindi kami magkaklase. So yun, nung makita namin siya, doon kami nagkita ni Olan sa MISNet. So maybe that's the reason why hindi na tuloy yung project. I need to go
Yeah,
home.
that is faith.
Yes.
Yeah, and then I met him there, and then ayun na.
Yeah, that's our story. Very interesting to know na it requires her to travel back to sa Pilipinas, even though very yung opportunity niya available dito sa Sydney o sa Australia is bigger. But ang Diyos, pinuwi siya para makita ako.
So, paano kayo nag-migrate?
So may existence
yun.
Ayun, maganda yung kwento rin siya.
Umuwi po ako ng 2000, by what 2001. Ready na lahat yung papers ko kasi during that time na nandito from August to December, syempre marami ka nang nakakausap kung paano mag-migrate dito and whatever. So, kumpleto na ako ng documents. So, kailangan lang naming, I think February ng 2001, nilodge ko siya sa Manila. Yung, as a single, ako lang ang nag-apply. Kasi hindi pa naman kami mag-boyfriend agad doon eh. 2001, kumbaga office mate.
Baka pakipo pa si Olan.
Hindi kami parang magkaiba, parang kami ng
magkaibigan
floors.
Magkaiba kami. Iba yung wavelength namin because that time, syempre, IT, may iba yung hinahawakan yung project, iba yung hinahawakan project. But part of our roles sa IT company na yon is to train people, Microsoft training. So when you do training para kang teacher, para kang instructor, and because nagagawa ka ng project, it gives you a bigger weight na pumunta yung mga professional to attend the session.
Yes.
Kasi may background ka na sa IT, nagagawa ka ng project, and then you're a Microsoft trainer at the same time, certified Microsoft trainer. But before we do the presentation, yung training, we have to set up the classroom. Mga 24 students yan, mga iba't ibang company. You have PLDT, Globe, Smart, San Miguel. So, yung mga IT leaders or head ng mga IT department, they come to our company to attend training. And Julie and myself provided those trainings. So, we are paid based on that too, as a certified trainer. At that time, natitawag natin Microsoft trainer.
Yeah, we are Microsoft. We were before.
So, si Julie,
Microsoft certified trainer.
We set up the classroom. Naawa naman ako kasi uwi pa siya ng Bulacan.
Every week umuwi ako ng Bulacan eh.
Ako, nandun lang ako naman sa Makati. Doon lang ako nag-boarding house with my other colleague. So, uwi siya. Si-set up siya ng 24 working station, desktop. At that time, malaki pa mga desktop. So we have to set it up from, whatever the module na atin for next year. Naawa ko, tinulungan ko siya. So nagkukwentuhan kami habang siniset up namin yung classroom. Wala naman ako intention talaga manligaw at that time. Pero nagpapa-impress ako ng ano yung core values ko when it comes to family. We look after our family.
Nagpaparinig.
Parang gano'n. Yan. Siguro talaga when you are meant to be together,
Yeah.
God will find a way. And that's the time, the day or the time na nagkaroon kami ng chance to know each other, yung kanyang core values and my core values. And so happened na nagustuhan niya yung core values ko. And ganoon din ang so we look after our family.
Totoo yun, ah.
Oo,
Wala.
totoo yun. No?
Kasi, nagbo-boarding house na ako nun sa Makati, but Monday to Friday, yan, nag-work. And then, but Saturday, nagmamadali talaga ako noon. Kasi, I need to go back sa Philippines.
This is a
sa-
very interesting Filipino-Australian story.
Ah,
sa
Yes.
Bulacan.
Yeah.
Nagkataon, Oland, as it is, maraming nakakaalam. And alam nyo, it's a very helpful people. Minsan, hindi mo pa kailangan kung anong kailangan, hindi mo pa alam kung anong kailangan mo. Tatanong niya, how can I help you? And I think my kids, Lindsay and Mika, also inherit that. And I'm very grateful na nakuha nila yun. Natanong niya ako, gusto mo tulong? Siyempre, kailangan ko ng tulong.
24 station yun.
Dapat na 24 station and I need to go at least half day man lang kasi kung hindi, ilang oras yun ang biyahe nan sa papuntang Bulacan. And then during that time, tinanong niya ako, sabi ko, and then na-impress ako na yung palang family values ko o yung core values ko na in which we really love our family. And importante sa amin yung magulang namin, mga kapatid.
Tumulong.
Ganun din siya. Sabi ko, oh wow, kakaiba to And then yun.
Baka nagtanong-tanong muna siya bago ka makilala.
Hindi rin. Kasi the first time na magkita kami nung lunchtime na hindi pa talaga magkakilala, being an IT kasi, yun.
Kasi ang IT magaling mag-research.
Hindi, kasi alam niya na galing ako ng Australia, siya din. So, pag ganyan mga certified, meron kayong mga, parang dito yung specialty. So, tinanong niya sa akin, anong specialty mo? Meron, ano yan parang kunwari lawyer kami, specialty kang ganito. Yun So, being a certified instructor, meron ka ring specialty, siya
Ano yun?
specialty. Sabi niya, nang dating niya, anong kinuha mong electives? Tapos sabi ko, sino to? Tatanong sa akin ng electives ko. And then, siya rin. So, parang, at first, parang magsusulatan kayo kung ano yung electives na kailangan mong na kinuha mo.
Yes. Yeah, so, ang nangyayari nun, syempre, medyo nayabangan sa akin si Julie, but yung time na nagkita kami doon sa setup ng classroom, that's the time I redeemed myself. So, the rest is history.
The rest is history.
So, magkaroon kami ng pagkakaintindihan and then lead to boyfriend-girlfriend relationship. At that time, I'm already, I think, 27, something like that. So, talagang talaga yung hinog na. Pag binigyan ka ng Diyos ng, sabi ko lagi, husband and wife, they reciprocate each other. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na pupunahan ka ng Diyos, ibibigay niya sa iyo yung partner na para sa iyo. And so happened that we have the same core values, but yung aming abilidad saka yung skills namin sa isa allows us to have a family that will grow.
Compatible kayo work-wise
Yes. So nag-reciprocate kami.
A lot of things in common.
Yeah.
And then the story goes na si Julie may pending siyang applications to go back to Australia as a PR. Ako naman, gusto ko pumunta that time, hindi ko alam ang may Australia na. Ang gusto, lahat ng IT at that time is Marily kasi most of Filipino IT, they want to go to US. Laging ganun US. At that time, ang US nagkakaroon ng financial
Attraction,
downtime at that time. So happen na si Julie. Sabi niya, huwag ka na mag-apply yet. Pero na akong application existing sa Australia. So maybe you like Australia, doon na lang tayo.
So after
So boyfriend ka na
boyfriend na kami.
Okay.
Yun, way back 2000 I actually na-approve yung application ako nga nagde-delay nun because maybe sa experience nga na dito sa Australia, pag hindi ka permanent resident, medyo mahirap makahanap ng trabaho ng sponsor. Pero I think in a year, yun, nag-grant nila yung permanent resident ko. And then, hindi pa rin ako umalis. I think 2002 nakuha na. And then 2003, mag-expire na siya ng around June. Because I think binibase nila sa birthday mo. So, June of 2003. Tapos sabi niya, uy, kunin mo yan. Ako, ayoko kasi sabi ko, we're good here. Kasi maganda naman yung trabaho natin, and we're enjoying. Alam mo naman sa Pilipinas, mas pag yung hindi ka nagluluto, hindi ka naglalaba, lahat hindi parang madali lang.
At saka IT is very high
IT.
demand.
So, yun. Kaya lang sabi niya, take the chance. So, nung pumunta ako dito noong 2003 May, ako lang, no? Hindi pa siya kasama, hindi pa kami mag-asawa doon. I got $3,000 with me na naipon ko during the pandemic. Sabi ko sa kanya, usapan namin is, pag naubos ko to at hindi ako nakakuha ng trabaho, babalik ako sa Pilipinas ha. Sabi kong gano'n. Sabi niya, sige. Pero ang nangyari, nasa Pilipinas pa na kasi ako, nag-apply na ako. So, I think it only, 1 week lang, na ako, meron na agad akong trabaho. Sabi ko, eto na. So, dito na kami. Dito na sa, ang unang trabaho ko ay sa city, Microsoft, trainer. So, in which 9 to 5, nakapostura ka, ganyan. Nakakatawa, siguro. Minsan, pag yung sobrang pagod ka na, kasi naka-forma ka, naka-high heels ka, and whatever. Pagdating ng hapon, parang feeling ko meron ng Tagalog na.
Nakakalimutan na yung brain to
Hindi na
translate. Nangyari sa akin
English
yan.
ka na.
Hindi, pag
Hindi nga, English, tapos biglang lumalabas may Tagalog.
Nakakalimutan yung brain to translate from
Yeah,
Tagalog
that's
to English.
okay. That's okay.
But, yeah, so yun nangyari. Sumunod ako, nagpakasal kami.
Umuwi ako kami, nagpakasal kami sa Philippines.
Mm.
And then, nag-apply kami nung kanyang permanent resident. And then, December of 2003, nakasama na siya.
Okay, that is part 1 ng story.
Yes.
Okay? So, bigyan natin ng konting space ito para alam ko yung part 1.
Yes.
Okay, now part 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So ngayon, you both arrived in Australia and then started a family. You have 2 girls, no? Ngayon, how did it change from IT into Salad Master, which is nutrition empowerment?
Yes. So we love IT, since 2003 pa.
Dito sa Australia.
Bread and butter namin ng IT professional dito. So that's the one give us a chance to basically live and thrive here in this beautiful country. Ang nangyari, si Julie, hindi kami mahilig magluto, hindi rin ako mahilig, hindi kami mahilig magbuting-ting sa kitchen. But we need to cook. Alam niyo naman dito with boys sa Australia, di ba? Sa'yo lahat.
Oo.
Sa'yo lahat ang luto, pamalingke, pati paglalaba. So we need to learn how to cook. Hindi ko makalimutan nung una namin dating dito. Diyos ko po, nagluto kami ng miso, dang miso. Hindi kami maluluto. So hindi namin ginisa yung miso na isda. Yung miso, para mo siyang ginawang yung pinagsama-sama. Nilaga. Sabi ko, hindi namin makain yun. Talaga natin mag-aral, magluto. Anyway, nagkaroon ng chance kaming maintindihan yung pagluluto. And then, in-incorporate namin yung pagluluto sa aming pamilya because our 2 girls, siyempre, sa amin nakadepende yan. Ang nangyari is, si Julie, she's really looking for quality
Greetings
cookware.
to Lindsay,
Yes, shout out to the kids, Lindsay and
Primitiva West,
Yes, Anita, thank you for listening in, watching, thank you.
and we have a listener, Duarte Martins, in a Portuguese guy.
Oh, okay.
So-
Hopefully you can speak, understand Tagalog.
They are in other countries,
Okay.
abroad.
Abroad.
Oh, wow.
So what happened is, si Julie, ito yung kwento mo, marami namin naririnig tungkol sa Teflon. Alam mo naman, as an IT, isa sa mga namin is to know yung facts about things that we use. So marami kami narinig sa Teflon, marami kami narinig sa mga non-stick, yung mga tinatawag natin polytetrafluoroethylene, made up of plastic yan. Mapa-blue pa yan, mapa-black pa yan. So si Julie, really anxious dun sa mga cookware. Minsan kasi, the reason na nag-trigger yun kay Julie na bumili ng magandang cookware. Bumili kami ng isang mamahaling non-stick cookware. I will not tell you kung saan namin binili. Para hindi naman walang
Oo.
After namin, nasunog ni Julie, tumuklap yung umangat yung plastic. Nakita mo talaga yung kapal ng plastic. And sunod na sunod. Sabi ko, grabe. So kung nakakain pala natin yan. So that's triggered to Julie to have maghanap ng magandang cookware.
To research.
To research. And she found out it's still daw, it's still the good second best or whatever na mas maganda, mas quality. So naganap siya. But we would also want quality. Nagkataon, mayroon kaming friend na, kung bibili naman kayo ng cookware, why not tingnan nyo itong isang premium product.
Kasi yung amin din panganay na anak na si Lindsay, bata pa lang siya.
She's listening.
Oo, hi Lindsay. Wala siyang actually picture na walang rashes. So, ganyan. So, ang dami naming kung allergic pa siya sa eggs, allergic siya sa dust, ang dami niya
Hindi
sa
niyo
mga
malaman
sesame.
ano ang allergy cause.
Ano yung allergy cause niya talaga. Although, pinatest namin siya, so iba-ibang, walang egg, walang sesame oil, sesame seeds, and everything. Pero, parang nandyan pa rin. And then, so kaka-research. So, ito nga, I think that's one of the answer dun sa pagsa-search namin na the metal or the cookware that we're using has contributing factor din dun sa kanyang skin allergy.
Yes, right.
So that's when you found Salad Master.
Yeah. Well, the friend,
Premium.
we want to say shout out to Tita Cora. 2014, sabi niya, umating kayo ng presentation. Look at, have an open mind. You don't need to buy if you don't see it fit for you. So umating kami, ako ayaw ko talaga umatid na Miss Marily kasi at that time, that's Sunday, and I prepared to watch yung Formula 1. But si Julie wanted to see it, so we went and we saw the press. We watched the presentation, and we understand yung science behind yung cookware nga. And it's still really bad now kasi maraming lumalabas, di ba, Miss Marily, yung mga chopping board,
Yes.
yung mga cookware na non-stick,
Electric, mga
kettle and stuff, maraming lumalabas. You know, the research has been, it already started 10 years, 15 years ago. Na yun lang natin i-discover yan. But anyway, at that time, pumunta kami, and when I saw the presentation, sabi ko kay Julie, ito na yung nahanap mo. May kamahalan siya, mayroong kasi premium product. But you know, health is wealth. As long
The best quality kasi talaga is pricey.
Yes, right.
That's always the case.
Yes.
I think we're really thankful dahil during that time, that I think that's around May or June, yan yung during sa Australia may mga mid-season sale. So I've been looking sa different stores talaga, David Jones Myers, yung mga na cookware, until one of my friends said na trusted friend namin na usually kung anong ini-invest nila, parang we follow kasi parang alam namin na pag yung sila ay nag-invest o mayroon silang in-invest na isang product, talagang it's really good one.
So in other words, that solved the problem of the rashes ni Lindsay.
Yes,
It helps.
It helps on that. Of course,
Nawala.
ina-avoid pa rin niya yung ibang mga pagkain na nakaka-allergy sa kanya, pero that helps us a lot as well.
Yeah. The other thing is, of course, yung sa akin naman, before that, mataas yung cholesterol ko. Ang Filipino kasi tayo, mahilig tayo sa mga tinatawag nating highly caloric dense food. Mga saturated fats, yung mga tinatawag nating trans fat, yung mga pagkain na very fatty. And mahilig tayong kumain ng rice, yung mga white rice. And when I learned about nutrition at that time, sabi ko, makakatulong to kasi you can reduce the use of this highly caloric dense food. So bumaba yung cholesterol.
Impressive nga yung rice na ma-separate yung tubig.
Yes. So bumaba yung cholesterol ko from 8 to 4. So you are what you eat. So that's the reason na nasabi, maganda to i-share sa mga kapatid natin, mga kaibigan natin. So at that time, wala kaming kaplano-plano pumasok sa Salad Master business. No, because we're doing well sa IT. Until na nakita nung isa naming friend na sabi, nakikita namin kayong pwedeng gawin to.
The one that, tatlong couples kasi during that time yung ini-invite sa isang presentation. Isa dun sa couple na in-invite, sinabi niya, parang pinropesay niya na, alam mo, nakikita ko kayo, Olen and Julie, to do this Salad Master presentation. Ayun, sabi ko, talaga. During that time, my daughter Lindsay, I think that she's 9 years old.
May third eye yun.
Lahat na ng activities meron si Lindsay. So, parang bus na yung oras namin, yung sa trabaho namin sa kanya. sa parang hindi namin nakikita. Yung, kumbaga wala ng time. Yun ang normal naman sinasabi ng mga tao. Pero, ayun, nag-present. Sa tingin ko, yes, kasi parang yung parang hinanda rin kami, pag nga ina-analyze ko, hinanda rin yung lahat ng aming experiences together para dito sa Salad Master business. Kasi I really love selling, yung direct selling. Bata pa lang ako, nagbibenta na ako ng corn on the cob, yung mais sa kanto.
Okay.
And then, lahat na yata ng pwedeng ibenta nung kolehiyo ko, na ibenta ko pang support sa pag-aaral ko. So, lahat ng...
Magaling ka talaga dyan.
So, yung and then later on, ang trabaho ko dito sa Australia, customer, parang support. And then yung pagpapalo, pag-intindi sa mga customer and whatever. Tapos,
It's in the blood.
or we're trainer. So parang lahat na ng experiences na yun, parang magagamit mo sa business na to. Ganon din si Olan.
Yeah.
So parang, ikaw nga, Dad, anong mga experiences mo aside from the trainer?
Magaling siyang pwede kang Hitler. Bakit nakikinig yung mga tao sa'yo, walang...
I think in any profession you have to study your craft.
Yeah.
You know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Because if you tell me that I'll be selling cookware and then cooking for people, I'll say no, I'll go away. But what have we done in Salad Master nung in-embrace namin yung opportunity sa Salad Master is, why is it this is needed in the kitchen? Okay, is it just for cooking or is it for health? So doon nag-twist yung yung tinatawag nating mindset, okay? Which is, this is not just an ordinary equipment or a device or a utensil in the kitchen. It is actually allows you to cook your food so that you can retain the goodness of the food. Doon nagbago yan.
And also,
You
it
have to
saves
research
a
it.
lot of time.
That's right.
Yes, correct.
doon
It's
nagbago.
hassle-free product.
Yeah, kasi noon, di ba, pag may dalawa kang anak and then your IT, full-time trabaho, so kailangan mong magluto ng healthy, tapos yung mabilis.
Yes.
And nung makita ko na they can cook lasagna in 35 minutes. Normally, before attending Salad Master, bumibili lang ako nung nasa freezer section ng Woolies at saka Coles. Tapos i-oven mo and then magpipreheat ka ng oven 15 minutes and then saka 1 hour pa siya. Tapos nakita ko that they made it na parang from scratch. Sabi ko, and then masarap. Sabi ko, yan ang kailangan ko. Yan ang kailangan ko. Kasi I used to work from home. So, pwede akong, nung makita ko to, tapos nakakaluto ako ng lasagna while during the lunch break. Tapos makakakain kami ng anak ko ng home cook na meal. So, bukod sa healthy na, matipid pa. So, sabi ko, ito, talagang nag-swak sa sa lifestyle na kailangan ko. Kasi alam mo naman dito sa Australia, kailangan magluto ka o kumain ka sa bahay, home cooked meal, para makatipid ka. Kasi yun ang goal namin dati. Pero ang pinaka-importante is para maging healthy pa rin. Yung pinapakain mo sa mga anak mo.
Di ba sabi ka na, your health start in the kitchen. It's always the case. You start the kitchen because you do it with love and you offer it to your kids. Then you don't spend so much, and you don't spend so much like you're going out all the time, mas mahal pa, and then you pa alam kung ano yung paano ginagawa na sa pagkain.
So yung unang main reason kung bakit kami nag-invest dito is nakatip dahil time saving na, tapos healthy pa, and then lifetime pa yung cookware. Pero mo, yung aming 11 years, 2014, July 5 ng 2014, yun pa rin ang cookware namin hanggang ngayon. At mukhang
When did
bago
you start as becoming a dealer? What year?
Okay, so 2018 we became a dealer. We were promoted as a dealer, but prior to that, in 2014 we are a consultant. We started as an owner, like you, Ate Marily. You own a set. We own a Salad Master. We use it, and then we decided to let's show it to our friends,
Show the love.
Show the love, and then little that we know that we are already doing the Salad Master program.
Natural lang.
Very natural na lumabas. And then without forcing anything, naging consultant kami. So we are kind of running our own business.
I want to tell you Julia Werfel's testimony.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Kasi nga, yung husband nga niya, pareho sa husband ko, kuripot.
Aha.
Kaya, ayaw niyang bumili muna dahil
Ah.
ayaw niyang i-upset yung kuripot niya na husband. I'm not saying it in English. My
May
husband,
translation to, ate.
ako rin, bumili ako, decided ko ako lang. Hindi ko siya, hindi niya alam
Yeah.
magkano. Kasi, ganyan lang mga yan eh. So, Julia said, nung bumili niya yung set niya, sabi niya, ang bilis. I just cover it and that's it. It's done.
Yes, right.
It's really fast. It's because of the thermo.
Yeah. The thermal core.
Suction.
Yeah, the what we call the semi-vacuum cooking system.
Very nice. She's very, very happy. No? So,
That's good.
yun ang ano niya. Tapos yung asawa niya, tuwang-tuwa kasi mas masarap ang lasa ng pagkain.
Totoo po yun.
Kasi walang aluminum metallic aftertaste, di ba?
Correct.
Oo. It's really, really titanium.
Yeah, it's a
Steel.
surgical titanium steel.
Yeah. So, it's very, very clean flavor. Very, very nice. So, alam niya ang difference. He can tell the difference. Before they were using some German things, and then he can tell the difference. Alam niya. So,
That's right,
I'm
ate.
very
Most
happy.
of the customer, they say that. So, nung nakita namin yung maganda yung product, pinag-aralan namin ni Julie, ginawa namin siya parang side hustle.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to have a third segment now.
Yes.
All right. Welcome to the studio, Olan and Julie,
Thank you for
Austria.
having us.
Maraming salamat po, Miss Marily.
I'm very happy to. Can you say the complete name? Salad Master Truly.
Health Enterprise.
Very, very nice. Very, very nice.
Sure.
I myself, I have experienced the selling in the Philippines. No, when I graduated from University of Santo Tomas.
Oh, UST ka pala, ate.
Yeah.
Kailan the Tiger.
Ikaw din?
Hindi naman, sa Mapua naman.
okay.
Si Cardinal.
UST ako, and then I graduated in tourism,
Tourism.
hotel, restaurant, and travel administration.
Okay.
Pagkatapos during my third year college, I already started working.
Oh.
I already started working kasi gusto ko nang ma-expose sa
Real world.
real world, no? So, my first job is magbenta ng kaldero.
Oh, wow.
So, subukan mo talaga direct selling.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
okay.
I went to knock on people's houses in Forbes Park.
Oh.
Kasi
That's
Premium
impressive yan, ah.
yeah, kasi ang ginawa ko kasi my father used to work for Eduardo Cuangco,
Oh.
Danding. So, marami siyang friends, no? So,
Rich people.
I had access of the Forbes Park membership directory eh. So, pumasok kami bigla doon. Lahat kami naka-uniform. Dala-dala ng folder namin. Tapos pinapagalitan pa ako, nag-skip ka naman ng presentation mo. Ganon. So, talagang nag-practice kami ng practice. Kaya ilang beses maraming nag-say no. Out of 20, there is one. Out of 40, there is one. So, ganon, no? So, nagbenta ako ng, at that time, it was also West Bend, Wisconsin also.
Yes.
That was Royal Queen, 5-ply.
Yes.
So, 20 pieces na pwedeng
Yep.
patong-patong. So, at that time, that was 20,000 pesos.
Wow.
At that time, so that's a
Anong
big
year
money.
yan?
1980, 81?
That's at that time, 20,000
82,
is big money.
Yeah, 20. At that time, $1,000 is 20,000 pesos. At that time.
20 pesos.
Oo, ganun lang. Oo. So, kabenta kami, pero talagang parang mga vacuum Electrolux na nagbibenta.
Knock on your door.
Knock on your door.
Door knocking.
Or
Yes.
that.
So, ngayon, I find that very interesting kasi nga, during my time, napansin ng boss ko na, I keep talking, people are walking past, I keep talking to each and every one of them. Sabi niya, Maria, can you walk in front instead of one, sabi niya. So I filled the room of 500 people. I started talking like, sabi niya, akala ko ba hindi mo memorize yung presentation? Apparently, I've memorized the presentation, kaya lang sabog-sabog ako maglagay. From the beginning, nasa likod, biglang, ganyan ako hindi, gusto nila yung from this product to that product to that, hanggang sa pinakamahal. Ganon.
May flow.
Oo. Pero ang flow ko is depende sa response ng kausap ko eh. Depende sa hilig niya. Kung anong hilig niya, doon ang ano ko. So, now, that woke up my feelings when I watched the presentation. Naalala ko yung sarili ko when I was training people. I was training, we were recruiting people every week kasi nakalagay sa ads na if you want to earn 2,000 a week or 3,000 a week, join the seminar. Punta lang sila nag-apply sila ng apply. Hindi nila alam ano yung ina-apply nila. Kaya from the newspaper, maraming tao nag-a-apply doon. Tapos ako naman yung nasa harap. Then I brainwash them about the product and tell them brainwash. Pag magsalita ako mo nangangampanya eh. So I really enjoyed it kasi dalaga pa ako noon eh. No? So anyway, I came back. Oh well, I was also in tourism, so I was starting to write articles on travel. Ganon. And then, later, I migrated to Australia. So, nawala na yung sales na yon. Now, I'm back. Ang sarap isipin na madali. Kasi, pinapanood ko si Olan when he's doing the presentation. Sabi ko, parang ako yan ah.
That's good.
So, kailangan lang i-memorize mo yung product.
Yes.
100%.
Yeah. to study the product.
Kailangan mong gamitin at aralin yung product.
Yes. That's right.
I think most of us, they say that about natatakot sila sa selling, and every one of us is actually doing selling at your own way or at your own right. Lahat po ng ginagawa natin sa buhay natin, whether you're doing your IT job or whatever you're doing a sell. And the best way really to build your life that you want to be in the future is through sales. To marketing and sales. So mga tao nagbago. Kailan kami nagbago ng IT job namin? We started to think about this business around 2015, 2016. So ginagawa namin to aside as a part-time. I had still my full-time job. In fact, my last job is with Opera. I can retire there. Si Julie can also retire in her job. But while we're doing our full-time IT job, Miss Marily, we are doing Salad Master part-time.
Pero ang part-time po namin, parang full-time na rin. Kasi we usually, si Olan and I, pag pumasok sa isang bagay, we give our 100%. So, parang Monday to Friday, we work na nagsisimula tayo, no? Pero from Friday night hanggang Sunday, 5 presentation yung ginagawa namin every week.
Yeah.
Alam mo ginawa namin during demo? So, this lady named Mary Chris, siya yung nagdi-demo, kwento ng kwento. Ako yung nandun sa self-talk na ng final. Akong tiga-close. So, that was my job na...
Magaling kang mag-close at Miss Marily kung gano'n.
Ako nag-close sa kanila yung ayaw nila magbayad ng ganito. Tapos, inihiwalay ko yan para hindi manghawa yung iba. So, kausapin ko, isara ko yung pinto, kami na kausapin ko yan. So, it's fun. It's fun kasi kagaya ng political campaign, pag hindi mo alam yung sinasabi mo, hindi mo alam.
Yeah.
Pero when you know the product in and out, with all your heart and your experience speaks the truth.
Yeah.
So, when you're really happy with the product, talaga namang lalabas yan sa bibig mo eh.
Correct.
So, it is your own testimony that sells.
Totoo po yan.
So, kaya nga kami, we give up our job. Julie give up her job. We earn the dealership, Miss Mary, kasi you have a question earlier, we didn't answer directly because may mga kwento pa at the background. I still have my full-time job. Julie gave up her job around 2016 kasi we were promoted as a distributor.
Yeah.
As a distributor, program ng Salad Master yan where you have a chance to become a dealer. So, one of us have to give up our job. Julie, hindi na ayaw na niya mag-IT, nag-i-enjoy na siya sa direct selling with Salad Master. Plus the fact that we are also helping people learning about nutrition. So, she gave up her job, and then we bought distributor. I still have my full-time job. Around 2018, we were offered the dealership.
Okay.
So, 2018, doon ipinanganak yung aming company called, at that time, inaabutan mo yung bagong name ng company. We rebranded the name. The old name of Salad Master Dealership of Julian Olan is 316 Healthy Wear, Pty Limited. So, if I would just tell...
Parang iba eh.
Yeah,
Parang,
the 316 Healthy Wear. So, 2018...
parang hindi malinaw.
Meron kasing meaning yung company na binuild namin, though it's a long name, but we believe on that name because 316 is a surgical grade na material ng Salad Master.
I see, yes.
But it's also our favorite verse in the Bible, John 3:16.
Right.
And what we are selling is health.
Yes.
And we're
right.
giving opportunity to give you, the free time, which is doing the business of health. Yeah, 316 Healthy Wear.
Thank you for that. All right. Now is the fourth segment of the interview.
Yeah.
Welcome to the studio once again.
Thank you for having us again.
Julie and Olan, this is the fourth interview of yours. I want to share yung triumph ninyo in travels, no? Kasi we have some offer in Barossa Valley and the US coming up.
Correct.
Kung pwedeng i-share niyo yung flashback muna yung past travel ninyo sa US, Vietnam. Pwedeng magkwento ng konti dyan?
Sige po. Actually, sa ngayon, kami ni Olan, kasama yung aming mga anak. Yan na po talaga yung aming, kumbaga, yung na-enjoy namin sa Salad Master opportunity. So, hindi lahat ng nag-join ng Salad Master is because gusto nilang magkaroon ng extra income. Initially, that's the least that you can get, minimum that you can get from Salad Master opportunity.
To earn
extra money. So, umpisa ko, ganyan lang din yung gusto namin. Pero nung kami ni Olan, little that we know na meron pala siyang travel club na tinatawag. So, pala yung luto namin, and then nung nag-join kami, di ba, mga November, and then nag-uwi kami sa Pilipinas, then January, nalaman namin, ang travel club pala. Travel club that time, way back 2015, is sa Hawaii.
Okay.
Hawaii,
I've
sa
been there.
Maui. Hindi pa kami napunta sa US.
I was there 2017.
Oh, it's a nice place.
So,
very nice place.
so parang within 2 months, ang requirement nun, parang 32 cents.
32
Parang
cents.
gano'n. Hindi namin, parang tinabaho talaga namin yan na mapunta kami sa Hawaii. Kasi we love travel. We're a young family. We want to travel. And then, yun, nung masama tayo, nandun June ayan ng 2015, ang ganda-ganda ng Maui, and then sabi namin, pag sa Salad Master, pag yung na-try mo na yung travel club, parang gusto mo every travel club.
You want to achieve.
You want to achieve that.
That's the price.
That's the price.
Saan mo naman nakakita na, Miss Marily? You work 2 months, 3 months, and then meron ka ng extra income, may pandagdag sa pambayad ng mortgage mo, may pandagdag sa pang-saving
So
mo.
Salad Master pays for the fare?
Everything.
The fare
Basta
and the
lang.
accommodation, when you're qualified, Salad Master Dealership will take care of it.
Yes.
Saan ka naman nakita nun? Ako, nasa IT ako for the last 21 years. Sometimes I stay overnight because yung network namin or yung system namin is not working, and I have to stay overtime the next day to make sure that the network is working. And then sasabihin lang sa'yo ng boss mo, good job. Ito ang Salad Master after 2-3 months doing the
You can
extra.
travel.
You get to travel, and the travel is that you will be meeting people the same frequency, light and positive people that it will enhance
Like-minded
your it will enhance your inspiration to do more in life.
So you went to the US?
We went to Hawaii, we went to Japan, we went to Korea, Fiji, Phuket, Thailand, New Zealand, Philippines, kasama ang Philippines ang travel namin na hindi kami nagbayad ng fare.
Nice, nice.
And USA, we went to one of our travel that
You went to the US twice?
We went to the US twice, but the first time we went there, when we qualified to the US, is doon nagbago yung buhay namin because that's the time we decided after the trip in the US, we decided to become a dealer.
Yeah, April po ng 2016, I cannot give up my job kasi 13 years. Yung talagang sinare ko kagabi. And then, nung magpunta kami sa Chicago ng April ng 2016, nung makita namin yung factory, and then makita namin yung iba namin mga colleagues around the world. Parang, and then pinakita rin sa amin yung Salad Master na big picture na pwede pala kaming maging business owner. Yun na, nagbago na pagbalik ko sa trip na yun, hindi ako makatulog sa airplane during that time, and then I resigned. That's the reason why po, May ng 2016, ayun na, nag-distributor na ako. I think that's the turning point. Ang kagandahan yan, this coming August, sa 80th anniversary ng Salad Master, babalik ulit tayo dun sa factory.
I have big ears. I'm listening.
Yeah.
Babalik ulit tayo sa factory.
Wisconsin.
So, kung gusto nyo pong makita yung
paano ginagawa
yung lutuan, at saan nag-originate yung
semi-vacuum cooking system, West Bend is where the semi-vacuum cooking system technology was born. And we were going back there.
Way back 80 years ago.
Correct. But
More
actually, more than. Kasi akala namin 1946 is where Salad Master invented the semi-vacuum cooking system. But it wasn't that year. It's actually earlier than that. 1911 or 1912.
Wow.
I can't believe it when they told that story to us. And we're gonna be going back to that birthplace.
Yeah, so yung po
we need you to come with us.
Interesting. Interesting.
Maganda po kasi makita nyo kung paano ginagawa from start, yung blended na piece ng sheet ng metal up to the kung anong size yung gagawin, and then paano
Just like when I went to Germany, I watched the BMW factory.
Yes. You will be surprised, Miss Marily, that the system they put it into making this cookware is not an ordinary. Just you have the molded metal, and then lalagyan mo ng takip, lalagyan mo ng handle, and then you have your cookware. So Salad Master is 100 more details of processes in order to make.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
So it's amazing.
Correct. At saka po, hindi lang siya basta titanium o surgical stainless steel. Yung pong technology, kaya nga sa Salad Master, Science of Salad Master, yung tinatawag natin nutrition protector valve, yung nakiklik-klik, yan yung, it's a science. Kasi pag yung na-reach na niya, yung 86 to 89 degrees, magkiklik siya para i-low mo, para
You know what's amazing? My husband is very happy about it kasi pagkatapos niya mag-click, ilolow ko na, may time na ako sa kanya. And then, after I turn off the flame, pabayaan mo lang siya, mainit pa rin.
Correct.
Matagal siyang lumamig. Kaya pwede pa kayong magkwentuhan bago kumain. It's still hot.
Yeah.
It's vacuum sealed.
Yeah, meron siyang ProTherm technology where you have 3 layers that allows you to distribute the heat evenly. And that's why we save time and energy and basically protecting your health. So that's it.
Can you invite them to Barossa Valley?
Well, here's the thing, guys. If you have your cookware with you, Salad Master, don't let that cookware just sit and cook your food on a stove, because that cookware is a golden pot. You can use that as Salad Master, as your own business. If you want to know how to be joining Salad Master program and join us in any travel club, which is this one special year this year, 2026, because it's our 80th anniversary, and we will be holding our event in the birthplace of Salad Master Cookware, which is in West Bend, in Wisconsin.
So that's in August.
That's August. But before we go there in August, we have a preload celebration here in Australia. Australia is only 15 years old.
Okay.
Salad Master started in Australia around 2012. 2012. It's very young region joining Salad Master. So our celebration start January. Okay, where we going?
What date in January?
January in Barossa, 27 to 30. So
how many sets do you have to sell?
Nako, konti nga lang yung set na to maganda nga nagawa ng mga tao natin. But if my memory serves me right, at a little that, but 4 months 4 months qualification.
Okay.
Kaya lang, Miss Marily, tapos na.
Okay.
Nagsimula kasi ang qualification niya noong June pa. Tama, June?
July?
July pa, oo. So ngayon, lahat nung na-qualify across the country, we will be joining together in Barusan in 27, 28, 29, up to 30.
Okay.
So, and that's the beauty about doing
Ang
this
kagandahan
business.
nun, pupunta yung chairman, Salad Master Chairman of the board, si Mr. Ay Alessandre, and then nandun yung ating Vice President, diba? Ng Salad Master. And then maraming mga executives na pupunta doon at mag-join sa Baros.
Ang maganda pa rin doon, siyempre, meron kang business, may leisure din. So, nandun yung mga tinatawag nating air. That's the good thing about Travel Club. Hindi lang kayo, you going there one day, meron kayong training for personal development. But aside from that, you enjoy the hard work. May mga activities ang mga tao doon, and there are about 150 plus people joining us in Barusa this January.
So now they still have a chance to join West Bend.
Yes. If you are interested and you wanna know, paano ba to? Nagsasawa na ako sa job ko as a nurse. I'm not saying na mag-resign na kayo. I'm not saying that. If you want to do something aside,
If you want to go higher.
you want to go something that we can, some of your energy and time, and you want to learn some stuff para mandar lalo yung ating brain, why not earn something while you're doing it? So if you want to know how Salad Master Program Business Opportunity works, please contact Miss Marily or us. Truly
Your
help.
phone number?
My number is
0285923640. That's the office number of Salad Master Truly Health Enterprise.
Your Gmail?
Please just contact our admin at 316healthyware.com.au. We also have YouTube channel. We have also Instagram and Facebook. Our Facebook is Salad Master Sydney Truly Health Enterprise. Our YouTube channel is Truly Health Kitchen.
Maraming recipes doon.
Ang dami recipe doon.
May pinakbit.
Marami doon mga recipe. Look guys, we are not showcasing you how to cook. You know how to cook. What we are showcasing is you will maximize nutrition. So part of our job is to educate people about the power of food, about nutrition. Nutrition is the key in healing diseases.
If you want to see po yung business opportunity, kasi Salad Master is a well-kept secret din. Best-kept secret din. Is sa Monday po, around 7 p.m., meron po kaming business opportunity meeting.
Yes.
That's January 12 at 7 p.m. Saan po yan? Sa office po namin. Ang office po namin is located in Showroom 8/1 Cooks Avenue, Canterbury. So, libre po ang dinner, and then may parapol kami, and then you will see the business opportunity of Salad Master.
And the best thing about it is that you can learn something new about what you put inside your mouth. Diba? It matters It really matters. Okay.
Okay, guys. We would like to say Happy New Year to all of you.
Happy New Year! Thank you, Miss Marily, for this time. Thank you. God bless you all.
See you in West Bend, Wisconsin.
Okay.
Bye!